Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see pre-final examination question paper class 10th English 2022 to 23. This is your 100% real question paper, and in this video we will see answer key of class 10th pre-final exam paper. Okay, many comments are answer key, so that's why I will provided you answer key. So please subscribe our channel, and for more videos press the bell icon and share with your all dear friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. And you want to download this answer key with PDF, okay, so you can just search www.arfindia.com, and also I will provide you class 10th pre-final mathematics question paper also, which is provided on our website. Okay, so just to check regularly our website ARF India pre-final paper, okay, where all the papers answer key also provided and question paper also provided. Okay, so we will see. If you don't see this question paper, so just check out our channel where the question paper are provided. Okay, so in this video we will just see only answer key. Okay, here your questions, so we will just go for answer key. So here your start answer key. Here first question. Now answer the following question. What games does Nick play? Nick plays football and golf, swims and surfs. Okay, this is your answer. And the second question is Nick, what are the details mentioned in the paragraph? So your answer is Nick was born with no arms and legs and was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. It did be lost without it. Water sports area are not Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin, and he's a huge fan of the English Premier League. Okay, this is your answer second. And the third is call it my chicken drumstick. What does it refer to? Okay, it refers to a small foot on his left hip. Okay, this is your right answer is option B. Option also given in question. And we will go for next question. Okay, under his chin and his huge fan of English Premier League. So this is your third answer complete. Okay, so we will go for next question. It lost without it. This sentence means Nick can't imagine his life without his small foot. So your answer is option B also again. So here third and fourth answer is option number B. And we will go for next question. So here next question is question number 5. According to this passage, Nick was a person of a brave person. Okay, so your answer is option A. Here we go for 6 to 8 questions. There is some talking about Abel and Ben and Harry, Mrs. Abel. Okay, so Abel is going to get married. Okay, so there is some talking points of persons. So these questions are here. Mr. Abel wants to go to the lawyer to after his will. Okay, here answer is option number A, to alter his will. Mrs. John Shorrocks in the keeper of Ring O Bells. Okay, so Ring O Bells. This is your answer. Option number C. Okay, here. And Abel was getting married at. So here is church. St. Philip's Church. Option number C is the right answer of question number 8. So we can go for next question. Question 9 to 10. Okay, read the following passage carefully. Savitri captured the audience with her charmed, magnificent acting. She was able to convey a wide range of feeling through her expressive eyes. So here first question is also her eyes. What type? So her eyes is expressive eyes. Okay, her mischievous look, it captivates anyone. The look of fake anger provokes. Okay, so you also read this passage carefully because it's very important, and this question is belongs to this. Okay, so here first question also I say that Savitri's eyes are expressive. Okay, what call expressive? It means option number A is right. It captivates anyone means attracts. Okay, someone who captivates, it means attracts and holds the interest and attention. Okay, it means your option A is right. Okay, so next question is a chart of a and a table of a trend. Okay, average dropped. So here your answer is question next. Trend in average dropout rate of different stages of school education. Okay, so many people are drop out with the school age. So here primary, upper primary and secondary, okay, male and female also given and year also given. So here year is 2011 to 15, okay, 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15, okay, here given. So this is female male chart are available. So next question asks, and the note that here is a primary, upper primary and secondary, okay. So the question is, what does the table show? So it's showing, your answer is in the top of front page, first line. Trend in average dropout rate at different stages of school education, okay. And you want to download this whole PDF and answer key, so you can just search only arfindia.com pre-final English answer key, okay, pre-final English answer key. When you get direct link and just a second, you get download this PDF. And also the maths question paper is provided on our website, so just visit regularly our website arfindia.com, pre-final maths question paper, okay. Trend in average drop out rate at different stages of school education. In which year are the male and female dropout rates increased in secondary level when compared to the previous year? 2013 to 14, okay. And the next question is, in which year are the rates of dropouts of male and female equal, okay. So here equal in a primary level, so equal is 2012 to 2013. And the 14th question is, in which level of education are the dropout rates of both male and female the least, it means lowest, okay. So it's primary level. Choose the true statement from the following. So here only one true statements. Here option is also option number A is right. In secondary level, the rate of dropouts is always higher than in other levels, okay. So your answer is option A. So your section B is grammar and vocabulary are 14 marks. So here note following. Note, answer all the questions of section B grammar in the same order at one place in your answer book, okay. Combine the sentence using who. So the sentence is, Ray was a shy person. He was always discreet about displaying his emotions. So your answer is, Ray was a shy person, comma, who was always discreet about displaying his emotions, okay. So your right answer is definitely who. So here the place of he, you put who. And the 17th question is, change the following sentence into the passive voice. Shamsuddin helped me earn my first weeks. So your right answer is, because passive voice, so your start is different, okay. I was helped by Shamsuddin to earn my first weeks, okay. Here your right answer. And the next is, rewrite the following sentence using since, okay. So your answer is and the second answer is, since the roads were not good, he preferred less luggage, okay. And the 19th question is, fill in the blanks using preposition, prepositional phrases in the brackets, okay, are given also. So your first A is, Suresh was successful, and यहाँ पर आपको B point है, by means of his own abilities and skills, okay. So by means of his own abilities and skills. And the 20th question is, fill in the blanks with the suitable forms of verb given in the bracket marks, okay. I give, okay. So here give form of verb, and him a gift, he thank, okay. So we use I gave him a gift, he thanked me. So this is right answer. So this is your 21st question. Your friend is smoking, tell him that smoking is wrong. So right answer is, hey, stop smoking, it is wrong, okay. So next is, change the following into polite request a passenger to the conductor. What is the bus fare to Chennai? So your answer is, could you please tell me what is the bus fare to Chennai, okay. This is your right answer. And the next is, what do the following sentence mean? Choose the correct answer and write it in your answer book, okay. So here, my pen is not writing, could you lend me yours? So here making a request, because the person who is requesting, so can you lend me yours? Okay. And the B is, I think this shirt is rather expensive. So expressing an opinion. Okay, it's a opinion. So this is your question paper, whole question paper answer key, and I will also provide you maths question paper, 100% real question paper next video. So keep us, and also our website, on our website the PDF is also provided and answer key also provided. And the maths question paper also you can see. Check the description box where PDF link also provided. So this is your question paper. Please subscribe our channel for more videos of class 10th pre-final examination, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And for PDF you can download direct link which is given in description box. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Hello dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see 100 and 100% real paper of class 10th English. Okay, pre-final examination question paper of class 10th English. As before, I see this question paper also, and I was also share Hindi question paper, and this is your English question paper of pre-final examination class 10th. Okay, so watch full video for full marks for good scores, and also share this video with your all dear friends, and after 1 hour this video will be deleted. Okay, so watch speedily fast, and note that all questions, because after some time this video will be deleted. Okay, so and for answer key, this question papers answer key will be provided on our site. Visit www.arfindia.com, where answer key and this question papers PDF also available. Okay, so you can also search there. This is your question paper. Here your first section A, this is section A questions, reading comparison, 30 marks. Okay, question first to fifth is, read the given passage carefully. Okay, so you have to read all this passage, because it's Nick Vujis was born with no arms and leg, but he doesn't let the details stop him. The brave 20-year-old who is mainly a torso, plays football and golf, swims and shoots. Despite having no limbs, Nick has a small foot on his left hip, which helps him balance and enable him to kick. He uses his one foot to type white with a pen and pick things up between his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick. Jogdnik, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. Okay, so complete this question paper. For answer key, don't worry, answer key will be provided, but answer key provided on our site, so regularly visit. After sometimes answer key will be provided. arfindia.com search. Okay, arfindia.com pre-final English answer key. Okay, this search there, you have to provide this question papers answer key. Okay, so here this is your passage, you also read this. So we have not much time, but you have to read these questions, and the answer will be next video. Okay, as soon as possible I will provide you answers on our website. Now answer the following questions. This is 10 marks question. Okay, what games does Nick play? First question is, and the second question is, what are the details mentioned in the paragraph? Okay, so what are the details, where is the types of, and here you see some games, goal, swims and subs, and football. Okay, so there is your first answer. And what are the details mentioned? So you have to share these questions. And I call it my chicken domestic. What does it refer to? Okay, so what is refer? And the next question is, be lost without it. This sentence means Nick lost his foot. Nick can't imagine his life without his small foot. Nick can't do anything with his foot. So what is the sentence meaning? Okay, and the next is, according to the passage, Nick was a person. What type of person? Okay, and the next question 6 to 8. So here your 6 to 8 questions. Read the following passage carefully. There is 6 marks questions. Abel, I will tell you what I have got to do on Monday. Next, I will have got to do three things. I have got to go to the lawyer, and after my alter my will, I have got to go to the insurance office and pay my premium, and I have got to go to Steel Philip church and get named. Okay, so here your passage, you read this, Abel, and the next sentence is, this is talking anyone. So Bernard Henry, okay, what? Mr. Jordan get name, get married, sorry, married here, married not name. And Mr. Shatter, he is out of his sense. Abel, I say I am going to get married. Mrs. Slater, what to? Abel, to Mrs. John Xerox, who keeps the Ringo bells. Okay, so here your, and the next question is, choose the correct option. Okay, there is the following questions. So Mr. Abel wants to go to the lawyer too to get married. Okay, so here you also say that because Abel is going to marry on church. Okay, Mr. John Shorex in the keeper of Ringo bells. Okay, so here your answer is option C. Abel was getting married at. So what is the church name? So here you find it, church name, I think Philip Church. Okay, so this is your answer C. Okay, so we can go for next question. Okay, so here your answer C, and the next question 9 to 10. Read the following passage carefully. Savitri captured the audience with her charm and magnificent acting. She was able to convey a wide range of feelings through her expressive eyes. Her mischievous look, it captivates anyone. The look of take anger provokes, the look filled with real anger pierces the heart. The look of patience while waiting for her lover. The pain-filled look when her love fails. The confident look that seems ready to face any situation. All these myriad emotion and are hidden in her eyes. The dimensions are endless, and pages can be found to describe the magic spell of her eyes. Okay, so here next question, question 9 to 10. So now answer these questions on this passage. We also read this passage, so here passage connections questions, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because this is your 100% real paper, and answer key will be provided on www.arfindia.com. okay, so you can just go Google and search ARF India pre-final English answer key. Okay, so you can easily find answer key of class 10th English. Here Savitri's eyes are impressive, illusory, and expressive. Okay, so which is the answer? It captivates anyone. What is the mean? So next question is 11 to 15. Trends in average annual drop. Okay, study the following table. Dropout rate at different stages of school education. Year primary, upper primary, and second. Okay, female, male, and also female or male. So there is a chart. 2011 to 12, 2012 to 13, 2013 to 14, 14 to 15. Okay, here point wise given that, and now answer the following questions. What does the, okay, so here your areas of, and in what year the female dropout rate increased, and secondary, when, which is the previous year. Okay, so 13 question is, in which year the dropout of male and female equal in primary. Okay, so here options is also, in which level of education are the dropout rates of male the least. Okay, and choose the true statement from the following. So here are some statements, you have to choose this. Okay, ABC also provided, and we all go for next section B. Here note some questions, combine the sentence using who. Okay, Ray was a shy person. He was always discreet about displaying his emotions. Change the following sentence into the passive voice. Okay, rewrite the following sentence using since. And the 19 is fill in the blanks using prepositions and prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases brackets. Okay, in the bracket. Suresh was successful his own abilities and skills. Okay, here next question are doesn't sing, but fill in the blanks with the suitable forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay, So here brackets is give him a gift, he thank me. Okay, and the question number 22 is that what to the sorry change the following into polite request. Okay, a passenger to the conductor, what is the bus fare to Chennai? Okay, change it. What do the following sentence mean? Choose the correct answer and write it in your answer book. Okay, my pen is not writing, could you lend me yours? Okay, I think this shirt is rather expensive. Okay, they are A and B. And the next question is 24. I know this is a very rough quality and not a smooth quality, but don't worry, in the next video I will provide you a better quality. Okay, read the pairs and write the synonyms of the word. Okay, here I some words I read: famous, confused, and handwritten, and docu. I think I don't know what is it. Criminal, and I don't understand. One Sunday meaning, so it's a very rough quality. And the next is question number 25. Okay, here also, but you also see that if you understand something, so this is very helpful for you. So today in this video I will provide you class 10th English real question paper of pre-final examination 2023. Okay, this question is real paper and you have to practice these questions and also answer key provided, and this question papers PDF also you can download. Just search arfindia.com pre-final English answer key. Okay, pre-final English answer key, where all the answers key also provided. You can just search our site and regularly check out the sites, because anytime your answer key will be provided on our site. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. In this video I will provide you answer key of class 10th English pre-final exam paper. Okay, so pre-final exam paper, this is your 100% real question paper, and also I will provide you question number 24 to 35 all answers. Okay, so in this video you see all the answers of this question paper. Okay, and I also provided you question paper previous video, so watch full video. And before this answer key we will see the questions of this question paper. Okay, so this is total 35 questions and I will also provide you total 35 questions answer. Okay, so let's start the video. First, you are come to the first time of this channel, so please subscribe our channel and for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe channel and share this video with your all dear friends and like the hit button. And this is very helpful video for all students, so watch full video. And you want to get PDF of this question paper and answer key also, so fast search because it's urgent. Okay, so firstly search fastly, just arfindia.com pre-final English answer key. Okay, pre-final English answer key, just a search only. Okay, and check the description box where PDF link also given, and just a search and direct you can also direct download link. So this is your question number 24 answer. First we see question paper. So guys, this is your 24 question. Read the para and write the synonyms of the underlined words using the words given in brackets. Okay, so you have to match the words, these words to underlined words. Okay, so well known as a famous answer, and the manuscripts, it means handwritten. Okay, and the culprit, it means criminal. So this is your answer, and no more remember. And the last is disturbed, it means confused. Okay, I also see the answer questions. So first you see question paper, and this question is question number 25. Read the para, so read all the para and match the words A with their antonyms. Okay, so read this and match antonyms. So first is diversity, it means grow, they destroy all the local biological diversity. So we have to find it, it's antonym. So diversity is uniformity. Disappeared, so here same answer appeared. Commercial, its answer also available. Non-commercial, fast, its answer slow. So here also given that. So this is your answers. So we can go for 6 questions. So here this is your 26, fill in the blanks with the word form of given. Here word form is was completed. Okay, so your answer is completed. Its answer is join and the answer is declared. Okay, so your answer, and the suspension, its answer is suspension. I also provided you answer key, don't worry. And the next is so you just read only questions, combine the spellings. Okay, so here answer is, this is okay, UES, and the answer is IO. Okay, here answer. And the next is question number 28. Here you see that some words suffix given in brackets. Okay, so here answer is governance. Okay, ANCE, and this is answer is ABEL. Okay, so there is some wrongly word spells, correct spellings. Okay, so here first wrong word is dialogue and the here vulgar, so correct this. Okay, so this is your right spelling, and the vulgar, its only mistake is there. Okay, there is U, here A. So this is your answer. And the 13th question is prevention, perseverance. Okay, so perseverance, it's a difficult it's trying to continue to achieve a thing. Okay, so it belongs to first question is write the meaning of the word perseverance. Okay, so we will see answer, what is the part of speech of perseverance. And the 13th question is answer is write the following words under correct Greek words and also Latin words. And the next question is 32. Match the following one word substitution in part A with their meanings in part B. Okay, so this is also available. So here 4 questions, 4 options. So we also see these questions answer. Okay, first you only questions read. This is your 33 questions, section C, creative expression, 30 marks. Okay, almost all students send that creative expression. Okay, so you had read this about Mrs. Murthy. So you have a conversation between Mrs. Murthy and her parents. Okay, so we see also this answer, and the or options is available. There is, you have to write a diary entry, okay, of that day. And next is question number 34. Answer any one of the following. Okay, so you have to do any one question. So here one question, recently some unruly boys of your class doing some things like humiliated. Okay, so write a letter to your friend to describing your feelings and thoughts about the incident. Okay, so you have to write a letter. We will see also this question's answer. And the last is 35th question is oh no, sorry, this is 34th optionally question. This is a biographical sketch of SP Balasubramaniam, and is a famous singer and multifaceted personality using the given information. So much information giving that. So this is information giving that you have to do the sketch. Okay, so we have to write this. And the next 35th question is read the following passage carefully and focusing on the underlined word parts. Okay, next morning there is a first word palace, second word, and the third is second is horse, third is palace, and D is crowds, and the next is brave action. So there is 1 2 3 4 5 words. Okay, so now frame the WH questions to get the underlined parts in the answer. Okay, so we will see the questions answer. So first, this is your question number 24th answer. Okay, so first disturbed, it means confused. Well known as a famous. Manuscript, it means handwritten. Culprit, it means criminal. Okay, so this is your match the pair. Uniformity, appeared. Non-commercial, fast, it means slow. Antonyms. Okay, this is antonyms. And the question number 26 is first verb form is completed, second verb form is joined, third verb form is declared, and the fourth is suspension. Okay, so this is your right form, all verbs. So next question is, here you put the word. Okay, UE first continuous and the period IOD. Okay, and the next is question number 28. Governance, ANCE, sustainable. Okay, wrong word is dialogue and vulgar. So this is your two correct spelling, and this is your wrong words. And the 13th answer is the quality of what is the meaning of perseverance. Okay, the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Okay, so this is your answer. And the 31st answer is, this is crisis syllabus data medium axis basis datum and diagnosis. This is Greek words and this is Latin words. Okay, so Greek words, it means crisis, axis, basis and diagnosis. It means as is coming all the Greek words. Okay, and the Latin word, it means coming all the word m, something m. Okay, so this is your answer, syllabus datum medium and erratum. This is Latin and Greek words. Okay, so 32 question is match the pair. So omnipresent answer is option D. The peon C answer is option C, and the next is E. I think archaeologist is answer E, and the fourth is option A. Okay, so this is your answer 32, and we can go for 33. So this is a conversation between Mrs. Murthy and her father, sorry, her parents, mother and father also. So this is conversation. First conversation is Mrs. Murthy, hello mother, hello father. Mrs. Murthy's parents, hello daughter, how are you? This is question mark. Okay, Mrs. Murthy, I am not fine mother and father. Mrs. Murthy's parents, what happened my dear? So this is also question mark. Mrs. Murthy, I forget my name mother and father. Mrs. Murthy's parents, how? Mrs. Murthy, I forget it because no one calls me by my name. Everyone calls me Mrs. Murthy. My husband Murthy will came me Gemoy and Jemoy. Okay. Mrs. Murthy's parents, oh, Mrs. Murthy and I am engaged in scrubbing the floor and drawing muglu outside the house. When I ask my husband and children about my name, they say that they don't know. I came here because you both know my name. No? Mrs. Murthy's parents, no, we don't know your name, daughter. Ever since you were born, we were calling you Amma and dear. We didn't use your name. So Mrs. Murthy, I think my name will be in certificates of mine. Mrs. Murthy's parents, we have cleaned the almara. The certificates will be somewhere. Mrs. Murthy, okay mother and father. Okay. So this is conversation between Mrs. Murthy and her parents. Okay. So our question, optional questions is there also. So here also a diary. In the lesson I will do it. This is optional question. Okay. So here the conversation of Mrs. Murthy and her parents. Okay, so the next question is optional question. Here you do this is, if you do first question then don't do this question. Okay, if you do A question then don't do B question. If you are, this is a very easy question, so I thought you do this. Okay, diary question. First you have to write the date of this date on which you enter diary. Okay, dear diary, yesterday was the most unfortunate day for me because my father said that he can't send me to IIT because he said that he doesn't have money to pay fees for my IIT. Today I went to the station to say goodbye to my friends who are going to join IIT. So I stand then like a after he could so complete. If you like this, so see that when I was crying inside me, I felt like my heart was blasting. I wish I had also gone to IIT with them. Okay, so this is diary. And the 34th question is answer any one of the following. There is letter, you have to do a letter questions. The recently some unruly boys of your class have teased a boy with special needs, called him by these disabilities, ask him to run with them, play with them. Since he cannot do any of these things, they laughed at him. The boy felt humiliated. You felt very much sad about it. You think it is inhuman to tease disabled boy. Okay, so you have to letter to your friend. So your answer, first you have to do name. Okay, so here date, dear Kadiri, dear Sai. Okay, here I am your friend and Bhargav. We are fine here, how are you? I think that you are also fine. Recently some unruly boys, so there is unruly. Okay, D Y. Boys of my class have teased a boy with special needs, called him by his disability and asked him to run with them or play with them. Since he cannot do any of these things, they laughed at him. The boy felt humiliated. I felt very sad about it. I think it is inhuman to tease a disabled boy. The students should complain to the head of the school or class. I just wanted to share this with you, so I shared it with you. Write your opinion about those unruly boys. Yours lovingly and Bhargav. Okay, so this is letter complete. And the optional question is the early life and background of Balasubramaniam. Okay, so you have to do the letter because letter is so easy, and the sketch of a biography of a Balasubramaniam, it's very tough because you have to do so much many things to remember. So you don't remember tomorrow exam, so you will don't remember because it's very tough. So do only letter. Okay, so you have before remember, don't do this. Okay, this is very tough, and if you like, so you can do. And the 35th question is, the streets were filled with cheering crowds. Okay, so there is some underlined words, frame which WH questions to get underlined words in the passage's answer. So here your questions is, first answer is, at what time the Potter went to King's Palace? This is first. The horse left by the Potter was in which color? Okay, so this is your answer. Where did the Potter go in the next morning? And what were the crowds doing who heard about this brave action? Okay, so this is 35th question complete. Please like our video, share with your all dear friend. This is your answer key of class 10th English pre-final exam paper. And for this PDF you can search airfindia.com pre-final English answer key. Okay, so this is PDF all available on our sites also. So this whole PDF and paper also provided, and maths paper also provided on this sites. So visit regularly on this site because real question paper will be provided on this site. So we will meet in next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video, share with your all dear friends. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.